Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you will happy. May Allah Almighty keep you and homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top design. Before starting the video, I request to all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your people in all of the designs that I am sharing with you today. All new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box. You can like or subscribe if you want to watch any videos. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This video is type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you designs. Don't miss my any video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in a kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Remember, will remember in prayer, and bye.